Okay, sixth graders, we're going to start a chapter on polygons. Where's your packet? Have you written down the notes yet?
Right here.
Okay, good. The first lesson is all about naming polygons. Okay? So, polygons are shapes that are closed, meaning all of the lines or all of the sides connect to each other at a point of intersection called a vertex. So we talked about vertexes last chapter, where two lines meet. And these are a bunch of line segments that all meet to form a polygon. Polygons are named according to the number of sides they have. So, the smallest possible polygon is a triangle. It has 3 sides. And you can tell, like I said, they're named according to the number of sides they have. And these prefixes are how they are named. Okay? They tell you how many sides. So tri means 3. I think it's in Latin. Is these words. So tri means 3. Quad means what? Class? 4. Penta means 5. What is gon? Does anyone know what this suffix or that part of the word refers to? You start seeing gon on all the other ones. Do you know what that refers to?
Sides?
Yeah, or it's a shape. Okay? It's a shape. Polygon means a multi-sided shape or a multi-sided figure. So a pentagon is a 5-sided shape or a 5-sided figure. Hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, 9. I'll put that away. And decagon, 10. Now, some polygons have many, many sides. All right? There isn't a limit to the number of sides that a polygon can have. So if you have like a 40-sided figure, they just call those a 40gon or a 99gon. Anything above 10 you can just refer to as the number of sides, like the number 11, 11-gon, 12-gon, a 15-gon. Okay? Then, polygons are also classified into 2 types. This is how they are classified. They're either regular, which means that all the sides are the same length. All the sides are, what's the word that refers to that? Starts with a C. No. Congruent. All sides are congruent, and all angles are congruent. Means the same. What do you think an irregular one is then? Polygons can either be regular or irregular. If the regular ones have all the same size sides and all the same size angles, what do you think an irregular polygon is, Jacob?
Maybe it's like a triangle that has one really long side and one shorter side.
Okay, so the opposite of this. Not all the sides are the same length, and not all the angles are equal. Okay? Any questions? Take a look at your packet in the worksheet. You're going to name and classify polygons. So you're going to name them according to the number of sides they have, count the sides, and notice that they are marked when they're counting. This helps you to count the sides. Look at this figure. Notice how each side is marked. It's dashed. So do that when you are counting these. It's a quick way to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexagon. Are all the sides the same length? It sure appears that they are. Yep. And they will make it pretty obvious if you're naming it. They're not going to try to trick you by making one of them like 1 millimeter off. Okay? So when you're classifying these, you can look and you can tell by looking at it. So this would be a regular, what? Has 6 sides. Aiden? Hexagon, good. Yes, you have a question?
The bottom part where it says, tell if it's regular or irregular, would we just say I for irregular?
No, right. Regular or irregular? Regular hexagon, irregular hexagon. Then also name it based on it, the number of sides it has. Okay? Bella? Alright, so in number 2, these are referring to sides that are the same length. These 2 sides are the same length, so they're marked with 1 dash. These 2 sides have 2 dashes. They're opposite each other, and they are also congruent. This is another way of marking congruence on sides. If you were drawing something and you wanted people to know that something was congruent, you would mark it the same way. Look at number 4. Which sides are marked with 2, which angles are marked with 2 lines? These opposite angles, right? That means that these 2 angles across from each other are equal. They're congruent. They're marked the same way. Now, all of the sides are marked the same way. What does that mean? If they're marked the same way, then they are, they're all equal also. They're all congruent also. Okay? Any questions on that? So number 2, are the sides all the same length? No. So this is irregular.
So number 4 is irregular?
And it's not, you don't name this as a rectangle, you name it as a quadrilateral, meaning it has 4 sides. It's a regular quadrilateral. Okay?
So number 4 is regular?
Oh, are all the angles the same?
No.
So then it has to be irregular. Yep. Even though the sides are all the same length, the angles are different.
So do we do the sheet too?
Which one? Yes.
They're both together.
Yes. Do both sheets of lesson 15.1.